My name's Erica Staaterman, and I am a postdoctoral fellow with the Tenenbaum Marine Observatories Network. One hot topic in marine conservation today is the potential impact of noise on animals. We know that noise affects animals like birds and frogs and even squirrels, but we know very little about how noise affects marine animals, especially fish and crustaceans. So what I do is deploy hydrophones, which are underwater microphones, to listen to the ocean. A lot of animals in the ocean use sound, and we're just starting to learn how and why they do this, and whether or not we might be able to use bioacoustics as a monitoring tool to understand if there are any relationships between what we hear in a given place and which animals actually live in these different habitats. I'm interested in looking at relationships between bioacoustics and biodiversity. The term biodiversity refers to the number of species that live in a given habitat. Recently, there's been some work done in forests where scientists have looked at relationships between biodiversity and bioacoustics. So what does this habitat sound like? But this has never been done in the marine environment. What I'm listening for are the sounds that animals make on a daily basis just to go about their lives. So they're making sounds to call out for mates, or to defend territory, or to find food, for example. Because noise can induce stress, and because stress can affect reproduction and survival, we may see different communities of organisms living in noisy versus quiet habitats. This project represents a great opportunity to start looking at some of these potential relationships between biodiversity and bioacoustics. The good thing about bioacoustics is it's a tool that you can deploy at any time of year in any kind of environment. You don't have to see anything in order to get data. So we simply deploy these hydrophones by just laying them down on the bottom of the ocean and let them run, and then we collect the data later and we look at these relationships. Maintaining biodiversity is important because it promotes ecosystem function and ecosystem health, which in turn provides ecosystem services to humans.